Hey guys, welcome to another WordPress tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to password protect your individual WordPress post and page. And to do this, we don't have to add any plugin to the website. WordPress already have this feature. So let's get straight into it. Now, to password protect your WordPress post, all you have to do is to go to Posts, scroll down, click on Edit on the post you want to enable password. So I'm going to click on the outdoor behavioral healthcare, click on edit. So it's going to bring you to the post page. So on the right hand side, you're going to see post block. Below that, you're going to see status and visibility. So on the visibility section, just click on public. You see we have two other options. We have private and password protected. So I'm going to click on password protected, enter the post password. So once you're done, just click outside the box and click on update. Now I'm going to view this post in a new private window. So let me paste it here. Let's see. So you can see now it's saying protected. This content is password protected. To view it, please enter your password below. So I'll just enter my password. And now you can see our blog post. Can you see it? So that's how to password protect your WordPress post. So for the pages, it's the same process. So I'll just cancel this, go back to my WordPress dashboard, go to pages. So let's password protect donate, for example, donate. So I'm going to click on edit, go to visibility, click on password protect, enter the same password. Click outside the box, click on update, and let's view this in a new private window. So you can say, it says the content is password protected. To view it, please enter your password below. So let me do charity. And as you can see, we can now see the content on this page. So that's how to password protect your WordPress post and page. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the like button. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.